Sometimes when I get to Ridgeside Lake, it seems there's not much is going on. On this day, I saw a bullfrog and it just sat there. Then that was about all I saw that day, and then I saw this bullfrog next day, and again, just kind of sitting there doing bullfrog things. Of course, sometimes you're sitting there and you're waiting around and see if there's any action, and all of a sudden, a little bird shows up. So I got actually some pretty good pictures of one of the phoebes. Not much was going on by the Seekonk River until the kingfisher showed up for a few seconds. About the time I got it in focus, it was gone. This picture was a real surprise. I literally set the camera up and sat on the bench and was looking at thinking about something else. And the camera there was stuff jumping in the back of the pond, so I just let the camera run, see if I'd see anything. And I did not know it until I got home that a muskrat swam the entire width of the screen. And so you've got, half of that, because it's just, going nice and slow and chomping on the vegetation all the way through. Next day, I was kind of bored. There wasn't much going on. I start to head home. I see a disturbance in the pond on the other side and under the trees. I could barely see where it was, but when I zoomed in, the muskrat was chowing down again. So you've got another minute of muskrats chowing down.